Hello, TikTok family. Freddie here, fired up. I've been speaking to a lot of people with my digital marketing business. People that are considering it, people that are part of it, and people that are helping other people, pay it forward and take ownership of learning a new skill set, of earning additional income, of having time and money freedom. And I think that when you are partnering with someone, there's a lot of options out there. One of the most important things is to team up with someone or be part of a team that can help you. Now, what's cool about the program I'm promoting, our digital marketing program, is that it doesn't matter whose team you're part of. You're basically part of a community that is very strong. However, our business is automated. Your job is to copy and paste content on different social media platforms, however you decide to share it, so you can drive people to your landing page. They can enter their email, and you let the system that works for you 24/7, that's automated, do the selling and telling for you. Now, above and beyond that, I think that there's a value added to it. The fact that I've been an entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur for a couple of decades, and worked with people all across pretty much several continents. My passion is to empower, inspire others to be, do, and have more. And I'm definitely sold on this platform. Not only am I profiting from it, I'm helping a lot of people profit from it and learn skill sets that are transferable into anything else, right? But I think that when you make that connection, that human connection, and you build relationships, it goes that much further. And so, as I am building out this business, this digital marketing business, putting my 2 hours a day, sometimes a little bit more, because I'm really into it. And right now it's where I've got all my energy into it. I will tell you that people ask me questions, whether it's technical stuff, whether it's marketing stuff, or maybe they just have people asking them questions, and they're new to anything, right? And like I said, our business is automated. You don't need to. But I think that, today I had an example. Someone joined our team through someone, and not even our team, bought the program through someone that bought it from me. And obviously there's a relationship that I have with that person, and they asked if I could help. And so I got on a Zoom and just shared what I share with you guys every day on TikTok here, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on WhatsApp Messenger. I share it through all my platforms. And so I share that with you because I see a value that I bring, and that the people that are working with me learn to bring, if they don't bring it to the table, of connecting with people. And I think that the people connection is what separates working with me and with people from my team, and I'm sure there's other people in the community. It's not necessary, because it's an automated business. Some people don't want to do that, and they still have success. I just today I really realized that you always are understanding, why would people work with you? Why would people want to join you if they don't know, like, and trust you yet, et cetera, et cetera. I think the value that, if you really want to be successful, if you really want to take ownership of your business, if you really want to take ownership of your life financially, time-wise, if you want to take ownership of your life financially, time-wise, if you want to advance, if you want to pay off debt, if you want to be your own boss, if you want to travel around the world, if you want to have luxurious items, whatever that is for you, if you just want to be free, I think that partnering up with someone that can help you with that, especially if you've never done anything like this, like myself, I had never done anything like this. I've been a successful entrepreneur, but this digital marketing thing is a brand new thing. And fortunately, this platform is empowering enough and educating enough, and just brings so much to the table, not just in content, but also in community, that I've been able to have a lot of success, and more importantly, transfer it to others. So, I get asked all the time, why should I join you? I think the fact that you have someone that's doing well with this, that's helping other people doing well with this, and is willing to connect with you, even though this is an automated business, from sign up to profit, it's an automated business. But I think that, if you reach out and you have a question or whatnot, it's cool to know that you're working with someone that is willing to connect and answer questions if you're following the program and you're a little lost, or you just haven't caught on which is possible. We all come from different backgrounds. We all have different way we process things. I'm the typical ADD person that just goes to the point. Some people are more methodical. Some people just get lost on the first phrase. I don't know. It's not typical, but in that case, it's cool to know that if you're working with me or someone like me, you're gonna have that extra value of support of someone that's engaged, that's winning, that's helping people win and loves to win and loves to help people win and has done it for many, many years. And so I just wanted to come on and share that with you guys because I think now more than ever, people are looking, they're searching and praying for a solution, but they're maybe uneasy or insecure about participating or aligning themselves with someone because they don't know if maybe, once they sign up, they're left for dead. And, I'm not going to say that I'm proactively going after people and asking them how they're doing and whatnot, because that could be time consuming. But for those that obviously have all my contact information, reach out, I'm connecting. And yeah, from time to time, I reach out to some people, maybe because I run into their name on social media or something, or maybe we did have an interaction from the beginning. And typically those are the people that I connect with, the people that at some point either sent me an email, direct message, or somehow we connected, in the process of them getting started, or already started. One of the coolest things to receive is someone that, signed up. I have no clue who they are. And they're telling me they've already had a couple sales. And because it's 100% profit that they make from our digital program, they've earned 3, 4, 5,000 plus whatever they've earned. And I find out after the fact, not before they got started. I mean, I don't care what part of the process I connect, but it's cool to know that happens, because that means that, the system is working, it works. And if it happens, it could happen for them. It could happen for anyone that obviously, not just participates, but, follows the process, the blueprint, is consistent and persistent, and starts having success. So I hope this live, like with anything that I share with you guys, is helpful of, why choosing me as your partner in launching your digital marketing business can make a dramatic difference if you're ready to not just sign up, because anybody can sign up, but obviously follow the blueprint and be consistent and persistent with that process. And I can come in and help you enhance and share my experience and what's worked and what hasn't. And if I don't, maybe I can find the answer. So hope you guys are doing well. Take care. God bless. And thank you so much for following me on social media. Share.